Zhuhai, conduit of Zhuhai. Gonna look around, gonna see Zhuhai. Yeah, yeah, Zhuhai. Under the Zhuhai sky makes your heart fly. Don't ask me why, it's just Zhuhai. Under the Zhuhai sky makes your heart fly. Don't ask me why, it's just Zhuhai.
We're in Zhuhai. There's a public toilet right here. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be walking down, it's not too far from the ocean, but we're kind of on this interesting little street with these interesting houses, big balconies. And we're just going to walk down and just kind of see what it's all about, and we'll also give you the name of the street as well. So yeah, hang tight here. Another little slice of Zhuhai for you. Slice of Zhuhai. Shanfeng Street. So we're going to put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are, and we're also going to show you as if you're there yourself. So let's take a look at a little slice of Zhuhai, China. Yep. It's kind of interesting too. There's a giant mosquito. This is for mosquitoes right here. Okay. So we're going to check out this whole street right here, kind of see what it's all about. One thing, there's trees and there's also like a park right up that way. So that park, I was in this area a few days ago on the other side of the park, in Anping Road. This is not too far from there. So it's just kind of interesting because there's also, it kind of goes downhill. Let me just keep on going. I kind of want to look down that hill and see what it looks like, but got selling some fruits right in that area. So some of these businesses have balconies, some of them have small businesses. It looks like we are up a little bit in a hill, so we have a hill just behind these, so you can see the trees up there. And then down below us you can see stuff that's down below a little bit. Let me just see if this would have. Yeah, so they kind of go down like that. So we could just go down, because you can see we're actually like rooftop level that way. So, but we're gonna keep on going down our street. And then yeah, you can also see that goes up into the hills too. There's some trails that go that way. I like these balconies around here. A lot of these houses have balconies. But when I came up here, I came up in like a DD, and the DD, it's a really tight fit. Down below us is a hospital, which I didn't film because it's just, yeah, there's more that go up into the hills right up there. This is kind of nice with the plants. A lot of these caged apartments. That's also common in Macau too, these caged apartments. They'll put laundry out there. I think sometimes they'll hang the laundry. I don't know. It's not really a theft thing, it's just kind of like a, don't know what it is. But you see a lot of the caged apartments. I think usually because most places don't have dryers. So they usually hang their clothes outside. And it can get quite windy. Nice park benches there. And now we're right there, right next to the foliage. Green trees. And you can feel that we're a little bit on a hill, and so we're going to be going downhill momentarily. Let me see. Market registration. It's gonna I don't want to film up in that space. I don't know what it is. I don't want to film anything that's government related. There's like a dog thing. There's goes up into the hills up that way. Check out that one. That apartment is could have a nice view, but I don't know what they view. I don't know what they can see. It's one of the big balconies up on top there as well. Yeah, it's one thing about Zhuhai. There are a lot of hills here. Most of the hills are parks, so they can't build into the parks. But this hill is kind of a small one compared to some of the other ones. That's kind of a big balcony. Okay, so this street will end straight ahead, so we'll just kind of continue to capture it a little bit, but it does give you an idea of what streets in Zhuhai look like. For those that don't know, myself included, I'm kind of learning. There's a lot of variation, so there's like stuff like that, steps down. So let me just see. Convenience store. Lots of little alleys that go down or up into the hills, or both. We're not too far from the ocean. There's another big apartment with a bunch of balconies. You can see some more of these little streets like that. So all those streets are kind of interesting. Lots of park benches, but we got a car parked right up on the sidewalk. Looks like it ran right into the benches actually. I guess they must not enforce those things. Nice stairwell. Nice balconies, wow. They would actually have a nice corner to view. There's a kind of a coffee shop. Okay. I never did see the name of the street though, which is what I wanted to film, was the name of the street, but I didn't see it. But it comes out into this area. Just kind of give you an idea. So that was the street that we were on. And we'll just kind of walk this way. That's interesting, they have a public toilet. That one is up on the hill and it's labeled so that people can find it. And I guess on that note, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna end our video. So so there you go, a little slice of Zhuhai. We'll just continue a little bit further under this tree and gives you another slice of what it looks like here.
Zhuhai, under the Zhuhai.